So the next travel compression packing cube is from Peak Design. So these ones actually are really neat. So first of all, it's very lightweight, kind of tied to like what I was mentioning earlier. So with the Peak Design travel packing cube, it is going to be enclosed. So with the zippers, when you zip it up, you've got to zipper up both sides, and I'm going to show you why in a second, okay? So you do have to zipper both sides. It's a bit of a hassle to having to zip this side and this side, but rather most zippers just kind of zip up 360, so you only have to pull once. But the reason why is because of this opening feature. So you simply grab both tabs and you zip it up or unzip it just like that, and it easily opens up like that. So I do love how the flap itself opens up completely to one side. Now, this does come separately, okay? I don't think that this comes in an actual pair together, but this does come separately. But with the Peak Design, one thing I really do love about it also is the aspect in which they include a slot for soiled clothes. So this back zipper that you see over here, this is where you can put your dirty laundry, your dirty socks, your dirty clothes, etc. So they have that neat feature in case you're stuck with only one packing cube. You've got 4 days worth of clothes in here. As you start to use those clothes, you can still put them in this back pocket here. Now, I don't think the amount of clothes that are going to fit in here are going to fit in this back pocket here, but it is still a neat way to kind of pack soiled clothes, just because for me, I've kind of wondered sometimes, where do I put my soiled clothes? And Peak Design has thought about that, all right? So let's actually go ahead and pack this packing cube, and I'll be letting you know how I feel about it. Now, just like the other compression packing cubes, I am going to be leaving this unzipped. And again, with the Peak Design zippering, you do have to zipper both sides. So here we have the Peak Design compression packing cube packed up. Now, if we actually zip up the compression side, let me find the zipper. Let's see how that works out, okay? So we're zippering it up. The zipper is quite easy, okay? So this is what it looks like. Now, it's not a completely enclosed packing cube, okay? You can kind of see like there's some air in there. I do wish this was mesh material though, so I can see what's inside the bag. I do wish there was a handle as well, but overall, it's extremely lightweight. You do have some handles over here, but they don't really seem like they're meant to be handles. It's kind of like upside down, but I think it kind of works out. I'm sorry, I'm used to kind of the handle being up top where the zippers connect. But overall, I'd say Peak Design has thought of a lot of things. Again, soiled clothes go back here. But overall, I'd say very pleased with this one. Let's actually go ahead and move on to the next compression packing cube.